Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Debunked. And joining me today to ensure that there are no grey areas post this episode and everything is black and white is Sanjana Gupta. Yes, the very astute associate tech journalist. And tonight, we are settling an argument that's taken over Twitter, LinkedIn, and every group chat with a designer in it. And the argument is Trump's hair real or not? I'm just kidding. That will be another episode. But actually, what we are talking about is ChatGPT images versus Google's Nano Banana.
You've seen it in the memes, you've seen it in hot takes. OpenAI is finished, Google has one image gen, and this changes everything. But here's the real question. Are we just looking at another fun image model, or are we actually looking at tools that can actually ship
And work, yes.
Yeah. This is Debunked by AIM Network, and slowly let's break this down and look at what's really happening.
So, which actually brings us to the first debunk. But before
Yes.
that, a grand welcome to you, Sanjana.
Thank you so much.
I hope you've seen Debunked in the past.
Yes, definitely.
And there are no traumatic things that you want to say about it?
No, I'm lovely.
Very good.
Feeling great to be here today.
Nice. Of course, now kicking things off and getting into the thick of things with our wonderful expert, Sanjana. And the basic thought of the show is to make sure that I throw up the myths or the thoughts of the topic that we are discussing. And then Sanjana will get into it and debunk what is going on. So here is, ladies and gentlemen, the very first debunk, which is it just Nano Banana with a different name? The point is, maybe I think, not really. Nano Banana is genuinely impressive, Sanjana. We all know that, especially for creative exploration, visual remixing, playful experimentation. And of course, we've covered this,
Definitely, yeah.
as you know,
Yeah,
in the
as we
past
have.
episode that we did. And of course, you guys can go through the playlist of Debunked to check out those earlier gems. We don't like advertising about ourselves. But of course, now you are going
Well,
ahead and
now that
talking
you're
about
here,
it.
so why not?
Yeah.
So when we talk about ChatGPT image 1.5 is optimized for something very specific, which is repeatability.
Sure.
So market teams don't just want, wow, this looks great. Can this is amazing. They
Sure.
also want to know, can this be recreated?
Fair.
So that's something that we are trying to debunk here. They, lots of teams in the world want to understand how they can change the headline but keep the layout. Don't touch the brand colors. That's the lane ChatGPT images is very clearly choosing.
It's
So-
interesting that you say that because repeatability is something which has forever been a pain area, Sanjay.
Definitely. And I think that's something that comes up more and more as we talk about image generation models.
True.
Because it becomes so difficult to repeat the same thing you've done again.
And you lose your creativity, do you not think? Because
Yeah.
you're working in a flow.
Oh, yeah.
And you would want at least the model to assist you with that flow instead of you constantly keep going back to the drawing board, no pun
Yeah.
intended.
Well, and then if that happens, once repeatability is not there, then you reach that ultimate stage where you're screaming at your model at the laptop
Exactly.
and you're like, can you do this again, please?
Have you ever faced that, by the way? Because
Oh, a lot of times.
Yeah, you have.
Yeah, I have actually told it, you are ridiculous. I am leaving this chat.
What was the response? Was it a
I am sorry, we are not able to continue this chat any further, it seems.
No, but we will for sure continue
Yes.
the chat further because
So-
there's another point that, of course, Sanjana has done. And before, very quickly, I'll add the creative aspect gets completely exhausted as Sanjana just mentioned, and seamlessness is also required, Sanjana,
Oh,
in a
yeah.
big way when somebody is putting, let's say, a script to an image,
Mm-hmm.
or there is a particular narrative that somebody is trying to build.
Yeah, yeah.
So, with that, would you like to now, of course, show us what
For
the hard
sure.
work you've done?
So here I have, tried an example in both ChatGPT and in Gemini to sort of create an image, or let's say recreate an image. We have an image of a dog that I have taken, and I have prompted it saying, here I have an image of a dog, keeping the same dog. Can you give me 3 more images of the dog in 3 different surroundings?
Sure.
So we are just trying to recreate the 3 different surroundings, and I have given prompting as the jungle, underwater, and space. And here I have told the model to keep the color scheme as dull as it is in the current image.
So basically, it's not
And-
a dog, according to you, it's Rambo.
Well-
Jungle, underwater.
well as you can,
Fair.
interpret it.
Fair.
So that, and also I have asked it to change the pose of the dog in every setting.
Sure.
So let's begin with what ChatGPT gave, or let's begin
Let's
with
actually,
what Gemini.
yeah, because I mean, there's a
that's where we
yardstick,
hear.
I guess.
Yes.
Yes.
So here is the image that I provided,
Right.
which was this,
Right.
and here is the image that it has generated.
Oh, nice.
This is pretty good, I think.
Very nice, I think.
The dog is the same. It has different positions,
Right.
and the settings are different, and the background is as dull as I had asked it to be.
It's actually quite perfect.
Yeah, right?
And the point is that, the dog really looks as if it's acting out the role.
Yeah, exactly. In the
It
water,
is.
it's actually swimming.
True, exactly.
So,
the detailing is quite brilliant.
yes.
But of course, now, since we have ChatGPT 1.5, let's see what is that kind of magic that it has tried to create with Sanjana's prompt.
Well,
हैं? ये तो कुत्ता लगे.
2-minute silence.
I think for the dog as well.
Yeah,
Oh,
because this is not the dog that I gave in.
Correct.
And well, the dog is, I think, in the same position as in the original image and two of these images. It
Yes,
has only
you're right.
changed positions in one. No, I'm still at the dog is different.
No, but the fact is that, I mean, fair. See, I'll be honest, Sanjana, when we had done the earlier debunked, I'll just give you context.
Yeah.
The fact is that ChatGPT has, for me, been a tool which has followed the guardrails. It has always followed those aspects.
Yeah.
Whereas Nano Banana is brilliant, of course.
It's good.
But it also opens it up to a lot more other factors.
It's good and it's going haywire.
Huh. So essentially, I'm going to, for the sake of the argument, stick with ChatGPT, and I'm
Okay.
rooting for ChatGPT 1.5.
Let's see how that goes.
I didn't like that, but that's fine. But yeah, I mean, maybe because
Okay.
of that reason is probably what I think.
So, as you're saying, it's sticking to the guardrails. Do you want to test something out to see? If
Yes,
it
why
is?
not?
Why not? Let's do
Challenge
that.
accepted.
Let's do that.
Come on, ChatGPT
So we have a new
1.5.
chat. Let's begin with Gemini.
Yes, okay.
And what
You
are
have
we
to
asking
show
it
off
to
in any
create?
case, yeah. Okay.
Well, what are we asking it to create?
Since we talked about Trump,
Okay.
how about Trump's image
Okay.
as a vegetable seller, trying to make it, and
Okay.
he's saying "Aloo le lo."
Okay. Image of Donald
Donald Trump
Trump.
as a talented
Okay, I see.
vegetable seller. Let's not take that away from him.
Bill seller
Yes.
screaming, and I quote here.
And board पे लिख देते हैं 50% tariff on vegetables
Okay.
with a board.
Also add a
हाँ.
board on the cart
Yes.
saying
50%
50%
tariff
tariff.
on vegetables.
Okay. On just
Aloo.
aloo.
Fair enough.
Shall we?
Fair enough.
Okay. I will copy this prompt and also paste it in ChatGPT, and we will
Create the
an
image. Come on,
Shall we?
ChatGPT 1.5. Let's go.
Well,
And also, and let's understand the speed as well, right? I'm sure ChatGPT would have already generated the image.
well,
no?
yeah, ChatGPT is faster. As
See?
you mention it, yes, that is
1-0.
something I will give at the moment 1-1.
Okay, fair.
Okay?
The dog actually, yes,
That dog really messed it for you.
did.
Okay. So ChatGPT
GPT
is
has
coming
definitely,
up with
it's still,
an
yeah.
image.
I like the headline. Creating image, Trump as the potato vendor.
Trump as not even as the potato vendor.
He's forever the.
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
There-
wow. We got this first.
That is
This
wonderful.
is amazing. And this is Gemini, by the way.
Aloo le. and 50.
Whoa. Okay.
This is not bad.
This is not bad.
This is not bad.
This is not bad.
Correct?
This is quite good.
I like the realism.
Yeah, I like that the Alu Lelo in this is a thought box, whereas in this, it's on a board. Like, it's not in a board, right? He's screaming that
Yeah,
out.
he's-
It's
yeah.
supposed to be a thought box or a chat box.
Nice. So there is
You
a
know?
detailing as far as GPT 1.5 is concerned.
Yeah.
Correct?
And Trump is in a suit.
Yeah,
in
you
yeah,
cannot be.
Like, you cannot be that.
Whereas
So
the-
I'd say this one, you win this round.
I win this round.
You win this round.
Wonderful. Thank you, Trump. I trumped this one. Well, of course, if
Perfect.
you were to sum up the first debunk, then Sanjana, how would you like to probably just maybe round things off before we move on to the next
Yeah.
one?
I'd say Gemini is better at recreating images in terms of when we say any sort of
Repeatability
editing
aspect.
and repeatability. But when we take ChatGPT, it feels like ChatGPT is more creative.
Fair.
So it's coming up with a better image, like a more creative image. And it's better at creating images when you're prompting it from scratch and not providing a reference image,
Okay.
is what I felt.
Fair enough, which is a big one
Yeah,
because the fact that everyone was tom-tomming about how Gemini was far more creative,
Right.
it was doing a lot more.
Yes. I
But-
mean, you can clearly see with Trump image
Absolutely.
that's clearly not the case.
This is very scarring, but anyway, moving on. Now we come to debunk number 2, which is that image models are still just for fun, right? Well, that idea is outdated because GPT Image 1.5 is built for marketing creatives, social media campaigns, brand assets, product visuals, infographics, and presentations.
Right. And yes, even restoring and digitalizing older text and manuscript, that's where accuracy really comes in the picture.
Oh, for sure.
So when looking for such accurate text editing or, recreation, that's where image, actually matters a lot.
Makes sense.
So that means utility first image generation and not just entertainment. So
And
do
we
you
have an
wanna
example. Yeah,
try
yeah,
an example
yeah.
of that?
Yeah.
So here's
This time
something.
we'll go with Gemini first because
Okay.
you lost the
I mean,
last one. so
Sure.
that's fine.
All right. I get that. So, okay. Here I just tried to prompt both of our models, asking them to just simply create an infographic of top 5 controversial food dishes in
Of the world, okay?
Okay. So there's no extra prompting, no design prompting involved. And here we will judge just based on the designing skills,
Fair.
how it's coming up.
Fair.
So this is what Gemini gave us.
It's not bad, to be honest.
I feel when you say infographic, it really needs to be an information graphic.
Sure.
So it's delivering the purpose.
It is.
It's really clear. In terms of text, it's clarifying very, nicely that this is a description of the dish, this is the controversy, and, the name, the image. So I think we've got quite a lot here.
There's no puffer fish. Sorry, I was
Apparently
just thinking.
Not.
Okay.
Well,
Okay.
did you think you were eating controversial food?
Very done. Because now switching to
Okay. So,
But yeah,
we
makes
also
sense
have
what you
a
just mentioned, yes.
advisory somewhere
fair,
bottom.
fair.
So that's good. I think it's done a well-researched
Yeah, it's a
infographic.
fairly well-rounded
Yeah.
image. Yes.
What we have with
I'm
ChatGPT,
not
on
liking
the
this.
other
It's
hand,
not-
is quite better
like a menu.
in terms of the design. I'd
Correct.
say.
That's
The
true.
visuals and the design is like much better than that.
Hmm.
But
But you're right.
again, it's falling short in the information part of the infographic.
You're absolutely right. Yeah.
You have like just the names and maybe like
Yeah,
a
it looks
one-liner
more like
description.
a menu, to be honest.
Yeah.
And you walked into a restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right there.
So, yeah, maybe, someday later you could try actually feeding it information and then asking it to create. Maybe you could get a better designed infographic overall with ChatGPT.
Which means that you need to, the way I understand or my takeaway on this one is, Sanjana, that maybe you need to spoon feed it a little
Yes,
more as
yes.
far as ChatGPT 1.5 is
Especially in
concerned.
terms of like text and information.
Would you feel that also could be the fact that it is just recently launched and maybe, or no, maybe?
I guess could be, but
The training wheels are still on.
I feel in terms of research as a point of discussion itself, ChatGPT versus Gemini is a big difference.
Yeah.
Gemini searching that, that it's real-time search from the internet, I feel is much, much better,
Fair.
which is reflecting in the images it's making as well.
Fair
like,
point.
As compared to the text model.
Okay.
So, I guess, yeah.
So the conclusion on this one is that as far as this is concerned, Sanjana, of course, believes that you need to maybe flesh it out a little more?
Yes. So I'd say design-wise, ChatGPT wins, but information-wise, it's Gemini.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So I guess we both win half and half.
1.5, 1.5. That's the score right now.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. Of course, now moving on to the third debunk, which is that text in images still sucks. That used to be true according to us, but ChatGPT Image 1.5 can now reliably render dense text, structured layouts, headlines, tables, posters, ads, and this one is actually of the quietest and most important upgrades. What do you have to say?
Well, I think because if your image model can't handle text, it can't do marketing. It's
Which
as
is
simple
true.
as that.
Which is true.
Text is the most essential part. When we look at marketing, if we look at any sort of designing, text, either writing text in the image or editing text, it all matters so
It
much.
used to be a big nightmare at
Oh
one
yeah,
point.
oh my god, that was like, I think at one point it was, it started with difficulty of comprehending what
Correct.
text is,
Correct.
and then got into like as a child it learned alphabets, but then it wasn't able to place them
It
into
would
words.
suddenly
Yeah,
hallucinate.
it would like put
Yeah.
alphabets all over the place. It's a dump of alphabets. So I think from there we've come a long way. It's
Fair.
actually comprehending words and like sentences and making sense of it. And to show that, I have another example here.
Fair enough. Again,
we?
would you like to go with Gemini?
Yeah, sure.
Or would you like to go
we'll-
with Chat?
we'll
Yeah,
go
okay,
with
let's switch
ChatGPT
it.
first.
Yeah,
Okay, let's switch it.
Fair.
Okay, so here I took an image from Times Square in the US,
Nice.
and I picked this image because the word wicked is quite big,
Yeah.
and
fair.
I wanted to try and
And so is the emotion.
well for real, as you will see it coming.
Fair.
So that's the word, and I want to edit the text out.
Okay.
Now for you,
What was the prompt though?
I'm
Acha,
telling
okay,
you.
sorry.
So for you, I've done something creative with the prompt. I have asked
no.
it to change wicked to,
Yes.
guess what, Wicked Sudhi.
Oh, I knew it.
So here I have asked it, can you change the text wicked to in the attached image to Wicked Sudhi?
My
And
mom
this
would be
is
so proud. Finally, I'm
This is
Times
what-
Square. Mommy, I did it.
Sudhi. You are on Times Square. How do you feel about that?
I am very happy. I want to thank mom and dad. And,
So well, something to
and
notice.
Trump selling alus. Yes, that
Well.
helped as well.
Something to notice here, the word wicked is placed twice. It was still able to make
Yes.
sense that I want the word wicked, which is bigger, and not the one at the bottom of the board. So that's something to look at.
So basically, you believe it has again hallucinated and not done the perfect job?
No,
or
I
not?
believe it's done a good
It's
job.
done a good
Yeah.
job?
Because
But
wicked
did
is
you
here
want
twice,
it?
right?
Ah,
I
okay,
wanted this, the one that's above.
Okay.
I was actually, as soon as I sent the prompt, I was like, oh my god, I should have clarified
Right.
which one I wanted, but it was able to pick it up by itself.
Yay, ChatGPT
So,
1.5.
Yeah. So this is what we got from ChatGPT.
And now you're going to show off, right?
Now I will show off because this is what we have.
From Gemini. Dude, that is much better. True. I agree.
I feel like I don't even have to say anything at this point. You get it.
It's like one of those mic drops
Yeah.
for you, right?
It's what is that saying? Something is in the lines, detail, something.
Devil in the details.
Yes, something like that. So I will explain what I'm talking about.
I know, I've understood. But
So-
anyway, yes.
Yeah, if you look at just the curve of the board,
Correct.
and if you look at the original image, in Gemini, it has retained exactly the same image, just
Very
added
nice.
Sudhi in that.
Very nice.
But in this, it has changed the font of the image and
Yes.
changed the curve of the board as well.
Yes.
So it's done quite a bit of editing by itself,
Which was not needed.
which was not
You
needed.
didn't prompt it.
Yes. But with Gemini, it just stuck to the same image and just added your name in that.
So you feel that with this particular aspect, Sanjana, it is going to cause, let's say, a certain amount of frustration to people who are working creatively.
I'll tell you one thing. So as soon as I prompted this, I saw the ChatGPT one first, and I was so impressed with it.
Hmm.
I was disappointed. That came when I saw the Gemini one.
Ah, okay, interesting.
So the difference is that I'll probably look at this and think, okay, this is a great
This is
design.
fine.
It's done
Correct.
the job.
Fair enough.
But I'll probably, as a naked eye viewer, will not realize it's actually changed the font and changed like a
True.
couple of things
True.
until I saw this.
Yeah, which is
So
clearly,
I
I
guess
mean, this is leaps ahead
yeah.
for
So
sure. But I'm pretty sure neither would, let's say, the designers, the people who are
Mhm.
actually working hands on.
yeah,
I'm sure they would be obviously working on a few tools and models simultaneously
yeah, for sure.
to get the
I really
best
hope so.
out of here.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Well, that's a big one. So,
Yeah.
according to you, the way you would like to conclude this debunk, what would you like to say?
I would say I win.
Nice and short and sweet. Of course. Now we move on
Well-
to debunk number 4, which is the viral demos are the point. Well, actually, they're not. The viral K-pop prompt, fun, but the real shift is iterative, editing without starting over. That's actually what agencies, creators, and brands really care about. What do you feel?
Yeah, definitely. I think that matters so much because, when you say editing, that's the real job of an, image generation tool, if I would say.
Because you need
Yeah.
faster turnaround.
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
And you need things like fewer regeneration cycles, less randomness.
Oh,
and
randomness is, I would say, the biggest
the
problem.
biggest issue,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yeah. Because, I mean, somewhere it just breaks the flow, as we've mentioned earlier. And,
And
Nano
then-
Banana wins on playful creativity, whereas ChatGPT images,
Is sort of chasing workflow reality.
and of course, Sanjana has something, as always, to make sure that she will elucidate us
Well,
with this example.
so the last example I have for you here is an image of an Indian cricket team. And
the Indian cricket team.
well, the Indian cricket
Yes.
team. So here I've taken this image and we are testing out randomness and all sorts of things that we can test out with this one image.
Fair.
So I have given it not as detailed as I could have because I was like, maybe this tool is quite nascent. Let's not go as detailed.
Fair.
But the prompt here is the people sitting in the front, their jersey color will be shifted to yellow.
Oh, okay.
Then I want the word Byju's to be removed from all jerseys.
Well, I guess that's already happened.
Well,
Fair.
and I have also asked it to remove the two people on either sides of the image.
Okay.
Okay. So this is sort of essentially testing color changing, text, and removing and randomness
enough.
altogether.
Fair enough.
So the prompt was, can you change the jersey color of the people sitting down to yellow? Remove Byju's logo from all the uniforms. And lastly, remove the two people on either sides of the image.
Fair enough.
What Gemini has given us is this. So
ये लोग तो अभी भी वहाँ हैं.
exactly. What it has done is
I
the
mean,
only
they've
job it
definitely
has,
made a place of for themselves in the team कि इनको कोई
well,
बाहर नहीं
no,
निकाल
even Gemini can't throw them out.
सकता. Fair enough.
So, as I would say, it has followed through with the jersey color change.
But
As you can
si,
see,
com sa.
missing one person clearly.
Correct.
It has not removed Byju's from any jersey
Any of
other
the
than the yellow
jerseys.
ones.
Fair.
And the India has also gone from the yellow ones somehow.
He's become footballers now.
Yeah.
True.
So, that is there. So, I would
not
say,
not the greatest of results.
yeah, I would say somewhere half it's changed the color and nothing else. So this is what we had from Gemini. I
Okay.
guess it's a loss on my side. But let's see what your great ChatGPT has given us. Please comprehend
ये
and
तो
tell me
सारे
what
रोहित
it is.
शर्मा हैं. They're all Rohit Sharmas.
I don't know. You tell me.
My God, we need that many openers in our team for sure.
Well, try to cover up. No, please.
Oh no. ये क्या हुआ?
I have no idea what has happened here. The image is different here.
No, so clearly, I mean, you win.
Yeah, even though I didn't win in terms of what I actually wanted, but I guess compared to this, I
Here,
win.
even the Indian team hasn't won.
The team is gone.
The team is
There's
gone,
one person
disappeared.
replicated.
Suddenly, Irfan Pathan is back, or it seems like his lookalike. But anyway,
Well,
but yeah, fair enough, Sanjana. I think point taken.
I think this does not need to be explained.
It
This
doesn't.
is very clear to all of you.
Which of course brings us to the fact that what Sanjana wanted to obviously mention, which was the ecosystem context, which is here's the bigger picture, which we now have. Nano Banana pushing creative remixing, Kling O1 advancing multi-modal creative pipelines.
And ChatGPT Image 1.5 focusing on speed, control, and consistency. this isn't a winner takes all moment. It's a signal. Image generation is moving from look what AI can do to this can actually ship. So, what's the final verdict?
Wait, before that, I have to tell everyone, of course, everyone watching, they know what the scoreboard is looking like right now.
Well,
I would like to change my jersey and walk away from the conversation clearly. We have the winner. So, obviously, the final word is going to come from the winner. Sanjana?
well, so let's get into the takeaway from today.
Sure.
So, ChatGPT Images is clearly trying to become a production tool, a marketing engine, a reliable creative layer inside ChatGPT with 4x faster generation.
Fair.
And this clearly has edit control that actually sticks. So, and text that actually works. Is it perfect? No.
Clearly.
Clearly, as we've seen today.
Yeah.
But is it a meaningful shift from where ChatGPT started?
Yeah, fair. Yes, you got
That's
to
the
give
real
that.
question here.
You got to give
We are
that.
measuring progress.
Fair.
And this is progress, I'd say.
So, it is absolutely, you agree with
Yes. So even though I win, I still stand for this progress.
But what do you feel? Do you feel, Sanjana, that the interesting part actually now begins for, let's say, what creators and marketers actually build with it next? Is that the crucial question that we need to leave everyone with?
Yeah, I think not even just what they build with it, as much as they can, play with this is
Okay.
what I would say.
Fair.
Because the more you play around with the tool, the more kind of prompts you'll realize. For example, till now we're experimenting with text
Sure.
and replacing people or removing people or changing colors. But imagine what else we can do with an image.
Fair enough.
So the capability to aspire for more changes would also give companies feedback as to what they need
True.
to implement in their tool.
Valid point.
And that's what happened with text as well, right? As you can see
Exactly.
with there used to be just general models, and then the search part came in, and then that became better, and then we got into agentic AI. So I guess that's where it begins. It's about experimenting.
So, it's a good foray, according to you.
Yes.
There is good progress. And I believe finally what Sanjana and I are saying is that the more you actually flirt with ChatGPT 1.5, more you work with it, that's the kind of feedback that is going to constantly keep going back. And those are the kind of improvements that it is going to bring it in terms of the future models. I guess that's what we've
Yes.
seen with even Nano
As-
Banana.
Yes, for sure. And I mean, Nano Banana is clearly somewhere else.
You don't have to keep showing off. Well, ladies and gentlemen, next time we are going to be back with Sanjana, and hopefully by then there would have been enough progress for us to go one-on-one again in the blue corner, in the black corner and the white corner. Oh yeah, before we leave everyone,
Yes.
the ethical aspect of things, that's one thing we want to reiterate again.
Right.
ChatGPT is a lot better
Yeah.
in terms of there being no jailbreaks. Am I right?
Oh yeah, definitely. So I don't think I have the demo right now, but I have done experimentations before where I think we both sat and tried it out, where we were looking at how if we prompted to, let's say, create a fake Aadhaar card,
Right.
then what would Gemini do versus what would ChatGPT do? So what did it do?
It didn't do anything. It basically went ahead
Yes.
and said that I won't be able to do
Yeah,
it.
I feel that's where you.
That's a big one.
That's where you. Yeah, I think actually win a big fat one because.
I know.
yeah.
But winners like us are very understated. We don't say these very
No, but
important things.
I would like to say that's an important point.
A very important
which
one according to me.
ChatGPT clearly had said that I am not going to replicate government IDs,
Fair.
but well, Gemini just went straight ahead and did it.
And we, of course, last time when we were doing Debunked, and of course, I'll again request all of you to watch that, the one that I did with Mohit. You will have to, you will be able to see Mohit's mark sheet. He's done wonderfully well in grade 12. So, well, on that note, Sanjana and I are going to be
Yes.
back again with Debunked. But till then, as always, we say this: think AI.
Think I am.
Well done.